Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Kingdom Faith Outdoors channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today we are doing a video today, and I'm going to be talking about introduction to physics, a kingdom perspective. Um, do I believe that physics play a role in this world because God is our creator? Of course. I believe that God created all things. Even before scientists discover, chemistry or physics or biology and all that, God created everything. God created everything through His image, through His likeness. So, what is physics? Physics is the fundamental science that explores the structure of matter, the interaction between its fundamental constituents, and how they behave through space and time. Okay, and there's so many types of physics that I just want to name a few. And I understand people don't agree to it of some sort, but I believe that that God created all these things for His purpose. So, what are the types of physics? There's classical mechanics. There's thermodynamics. There's hydrodynamics. There's electromagnet mag, uh, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, astro, astrophysics, biophysics, and just to name a few. Subjects would cover from distance to displacement to speed and velocity, Newton's laws of motion, electricity, uh, kinetic energy, how electricity works and all that, how wave and sound works. So all these things are part of physics. And I took physical science when I was in high school, and basically it's like half chemistry and half physics. And physical science really taught me how really understand space and time, understand how motions work. Um, but in a kingdom perspective, God created everything, especially the smallest of them all, the atom. I believe that God created an atom. I believe that God created molecules. I believe that that's what atom being formed out of dust because of the molecules that was in the dust, and God breathed into Adam's nostril to give life. Physics helps us to prove the existence of God. Things that we can't explain in our natural thinking. Um, and it's a beautiful thing to see what God has done in our lives. And we astonish His works and His creation. So I want to show you guys a few examples of the formula. I don't know if you can see it. The first is the work formula is W mean works equals F times D. We got the kinetic energy formula half times mv squared. the wave speed is v equals f, and that little sign right there. And also electricity power, P equals V I equals I to the second square R equals V to the second square divided by the R. So that's a formula for electricity. And I believe that God has allowed us to see these things at work. You know, I like watching people who solve physics problems and stuff. And in order to become a good engineer, you gotta understand physics, how to build a bridge, and hopefully not collapse because of the gravity. It's really amazing to see that. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.